Hey, what if I told you that one of the most useful electrical upgrades you can make to your home takes less than 1 minute, requires nothing more than a screwdriver, and doesn't require connecting a single electrical wire? Does that sound too good to be true? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you what may be the easiest electrical project you'll ever complete. So these clever little lighted receptacle cover plates automatically turn on when the room gets dark and then switch themselves off again when daylight returns. They provide just enough soft light to safely walk to the bathroom or down the hallway towards the kitchen for that midnight snack, without turning on the bright overhead lights and waking everybody else up. The best part? The electricity needed to power these tiny little LED lights comes from the receptacle that's already in the wall. There's no batteries to replace, no wires to connect, no programming, no special tools. Just remove one cover plate and then install another and you're done. Alright, so now that we got the breaker off, let's take a quick look at the receptacle itself and see what you need to make these work. So the first thing we need to do is remove that cover plate. Okay, so these lighted contacts, here's how they work. They use these small spring contacts that reach in and touch the receptacle's terminal screws to pick up the power. So I'll give you a close-up look at each side of this receptacle to show you that the terminals are there and ready to be made contact with by these little arms. All right, on this side you can see that the neutral terminals are there and they are exposed. And on this side you can see the hot terminals are there and exposed. So that's how these little arms make contact with those. If you don't see that, then you got the wrong kind of receptacle to make this work and you got to abandon your mission. Like say a GFI receptacle or a smart receptacle, something that's backwired, not going to work for these. So now that we've confirmed that this receptacle is compatible with these plates, the installation is literally just about done. We've removed the old plate, so if you're kind of tired and you need a break, now's the time to take a break, grab a refreshment, a snack, or whatever you need because we're halfway through this project. So now we are going to put on the new plate, taking care to see that the plate tabs are lined up to make contact. So let's do that, line it up, slide it in there, tighten the screws. Might have to wiggle a little bit to get it in there. And tighten the plate screws. Line them up as usual. I like to line them up vertically. And now all we got to do is restore the power and we're done. All right, so with the power back on, all we have to do now is wait for nighttime. And there you go. It works. Okay, so now we're done. One of the easiest, most simple and safe electrical projects you could tackle, whether you're a seasoned veteran of electrical work or just starting out as a new weekend wiring warrior. I've linked a few products here that are available for purchase in the description if you want to pick up some of these for yourself. They're sold under a few different names but likely come from the same factory. These particular ones are called Night Cherub, and I've seen them branded as Night Angel and other clever monikers. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked and have already or will subscribe. Click on that notification bell and don't forget the pull down menu to select all in the options. And I'll see you, or actually you'll see me, in the next one. I'm Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician.